The ERi-TV news broadcast crew and I, Delit Sahaya, are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. First, let us catch up with the major headlines. Commendable healthcare provisions in the southern region. Death rate during delivery declining in Teseney subzone. India wraps up AI rules on social media platforms. And Russia discovers new oil field in the Yamal Peninsula. Proceeding with our reports. At an activity assessment meeting conducted on 9th and 10th February in Mendefera, the Ministry of Health branch in the southern region reported that commendable healthcare services were provided to the public in 2025. Dr. Emmanuel Mihratab, head of the office branch, said that as part of the efforts carried out to control the prevalence of diseases, the overall prevalence of communicable diseases, including malaria, declined by 11%. Dr. Emmanuel went on to say that with the contribution of the public and administrations, 37 maternity waiting rooms have been constructed in various subzones. He further noted that number of pregnant women delivering at health facilities has doubled, while maternal and infant mortality rate during delivery has declined significantly. Noting that vaccination coverage has increased by 87% and TBQ rate 93%, Dr. Emmanuel commended the foot doctors assigned in various parts of the region for their role in these achievements. According to reports from the subzone, eye surgeries has been performed on over 10,000 patients across the region. Mr. Kalab Tesfasilase, Director General of Social Services in the region, underscored the significance of the promotional and awareness-raising activities in controlling the prevalence of diseases and expressed readiness to regional administration to strengthen community-based efforts to address the need for health facilities. Addressing meetings, Ms. Amina Nur Hussein, Minister of Health, urged all health facilities to work earnestly in collaboration with the public and administrations to preserve the achievements registered so far to control the prevalence of diseases and ensure health of mothers and infants. Minister Amina also observed the ongoing effort to ensure reliable electricity and oxygen supply in the southern region referral hospital in Mendefera. Health practitioners in Teseney Hospital reported that as a result of increased awareness among pregnant women, the death rate during delivery has declined significantly. Dr. Abdul Aziz Mohammed Saeed, a member of the maternity and surgical unit in the hospital, said that regular parental treatment provided to pregnant women has significantly contributed to ensuring the health of mothers and infants during delivery. He also called on reinforced effort to achieve even better outcomes. Dr. Abdul Aziz further noted that in 2025, about 1,700 pregnant women gave birth at the hospital, including 263 through surgery procedures. And he called on pregnant women to remote areas in the region to seek regular treatment, as in nearby hospitals. Nurse Debretun Kalati, a member of the maternity unit, noted that although the number of pregnant women delivering at the hospital is increasing steadily, some women are still giving birth at home that could endanger their health. He called on area administrators to encourage pregnant women to regularly visit health facilities during pregnancy and deliver at health institutions for their safety and that of their infants. A beach volleyball competition organized by the Eritrean Defense Forces in connection with the 36th anniversary of Operation of Fenkel commenced on 10th February at Gurgusun Beach. The opening event was attended by Ms. Asmeret Abraha, Governor of Northern Resi Region, senior regional officials, as well as numbers of sports fans. According to the Promotion and Information Unit of the Ministry of Defense, the competition, in which 11 clubs from both genders are taking part, will continue until 15th February. The beach volleyball competition of Eritrean Defense Forces is being conducted for the 12th time according to Promotion and Information Unit. The 36th anniversary of Operation of Fenkel in liberation of Massawa, the Pearl of the Red Sea, will be held from 13th to 15th February under the theme Heroic Vehicle Operation Heritage for Generations. Straight ahead is our international news after a short break. Welcome back. India tightened rule regulation artificial intelligence on Tuesday, requiring social media platforms to clearly label AI content to comply with takedown requests by authorities within 3 hours. The update rule issued by the Ministry of Information Technology will come into effect on February 20th and shrink the window of removing content to violate local laws from the previous 36 hours window. India has more than 1 billion internet users, and AI-generated misinformation is becoming widespread in the world's most populated country. The announcement comes as New Delhi is preparing to host the major global AI summit next week, which will be attended by French President Emmanuel Macron and a host of other world leaders. On our last report, Russia's energy company Gazprom Neft has discovered a new oil field in the Yamal Peninsula, which estimated geological reserve of 55 million tons of oil, and the company announced on Wednesday. The newly discovered field is located in the Arctic zone of Yamalo-Nent Autonomous Area, has been named after renowned geologist Alex Kontrovich. Both in Arctic zone and the eastern Siberia, as well as in many other regions, there are still opportunities to find new large to super large hydrocarbon fields, said Alexander Duyovov, head of the Gazprom Neft, adding the company will continue extensive geological exploration across all operating regions. Gazprom Neft is one of Russia's leading oil producers and play a key role in the country's Arctic energy development strategy. Dear viewers, we've come to the end of tonight's news. Let's have a quick recap of the headlines. Commendable healthcare provisions in the southern region. Death rate during delivery declining in the Teseney subzone. India ramps up AI rules for social media platforms. And Russia discovers new oil field in the Yamal Peninsula. And that was the news from ERi-TV studios. This has been the Teseney reporting. Thanks for watching and have a good night.